So where do our emotions come from? Where actually do they reside? Are they in our brain somewhere? Are they in our body? Do they come from the ethers? Do they come from our heart? I don't know. Does anybody have any ideas? Like, what is your initial response to that? Where do your emotions come from? Your head. Someone pointed to their head. Gut. Gut. I see some people pointing to their gut. Light source. Yeah, like coming from outside of us somewhere and we're funneling them in. So this answers all of those questions, and it speaks to all of those questions, or those answers. Has anyone heard of Dr. Candace Pert? So she is a internationally renowned biochemist and a pharmacologist. And I first heard of Candace Pert when I was doing my myofascial training, and I was a physical therapist, going to my myofascial class, and John Barnes, my teacher, is talking about things like emotions are in the body, and I'm like, that's the craziest thing I've ever heard. I just went for 6 years of my life and got trained about the body and about the body. Nobody said a thing about emotions. Not a thing. So this was shocking news to me, and I really didn't believe him. I was like, yeah, okay. I just want to learn this technique. And I did. Great techniques. We'll talk about that more. So what Candace Pert talked about was the peptides, and she did a lot of research on peptides. She actually discovered peptide T. Has anybody heard of that? In the Dallas Buyers Club. Did you watch that movie? So it was what they were buying and selling, and it was this amazing drug that gave everyone relief and really helped many on the road to healing. So that was her work, was in peptides. She also was a proponent of what she called the mind-body. And she didn't use a hyphen in there. She called it the mind-body, one word. And what she discovered is that the neuropeptide receptors, which peptides have to do with the structure and function of a cell, and they communicate with the extracellular environment. So imagine how many cells are in your body, and the cells are all communicating. Peptides are getting messages from what's coming from outside of your cells, what's floating through your body, okay? So neuropeptides for emotions are found throughout the body, not just in the brain. They're everywhere in the body. Neuropeptides have to do with your cells. There's cells in every single part of your body. So what does that mean? You could have emotions in your bones. That's weird. You could have emotions in your muscles. You could have emotions in your heart. You could have them in your brain. You could have them in your eye.